Hey guys, welcome to Ben Wrenchin. My name's Ben, and today I'm wrenching on my 94 Chevy K1500. I'm going to replace my taillights today. These are most likely the original taillights. One of them's pretty messed up. This one's definitely ready to be replaced. And I got some from a company called Oksiwa that I want to try out. So I'm going to start with putting the tailgate down. My tailgate latch is busted, so I'm going to use a trim tool to get under it. But once I get that down, we can get the old lights out and get the new ones in. So these are the new taillights I got from Oksiwa. These are gray smoke LED taillights. They're obviously aftermarket, but they actually look really nice out of the box. Comes with an installation guide. It's got some instructions on what tools you need and how you're going to replace them. The instructions look really well done and they're pretty simple, which I like. So we'll use this. We'll get the old taillights out and get the new ones installed. There are two Phillips head screws holding in this old taillight assembly. One's up here at the top and the other is down here at the bottom. So I'll get those out. You might need some PB blaster if these are rusted in there. But luckily mine aren't stripped and they're not too bad to get out. Hoping the new ones came with new screws, but I doubt they did. So we'll just reuse these if we have to. And with both the screws out, I can just pop this out. So you want to tilt the headlight forward like this and then just pull the clips out of the front side of it. And there we go. From there I just need to disconnect this wiring harness. It's got a clip on the back. Just pull that up and pull this out. And these new ones are packaged really well. It's got a protective plastic cover on it so the lenses don't get scratched in shipping. And the only difference with these from the original taillights is it's got a resistor. It comes with an adhesive strip on it, so I'll have to stick that somewhere once I get this plugged in. These are plug and play, so I don't need to do any wiring or anything. So I'll go ahead and plug this in. Easy enough. And then I just got to figure out a good place to stick this resistor. I think I'll just stick it back here behind the tail light. That way I make sure it doesn't get pinched or anything. So I'll just peel this off and stick it in there. I feel like that's pretty good. It feels pretty secure. Hopefully it'll stay there and doesn't fall off. But I'm good with that. So I'll feed the wires down, make sure they don't get pinched when I put this in there. Get the clips on the front and the slots, and then just slide it right into place. The screw holes line up perfectly, so I just got to screw these back in and get them tightened down, and the fit looks pretty good. It's got a little bit of a gap here, but I think that's because the box of this truck is disformed a little bit. Got some damage right here, and so that may have bowed out this side a little bit. We'll see when we get the other one on, but I like the fit so far, and they actually look really good. So there's my original light, and there's the new one. So I'll do the same on this side. I'll take both of these screws out, pull the light forward, pop off the electrical connector. I'll connect the new one. Get this resistor stuck on. And the adhesive on this one is not sticky at all, so it's not going to stick on there. No worries there. I've got another 3M sticky strip that I'm going to use, and I can just put another adhesive strip on it and stick it in here with that. I stuck this one in there on that side, and that way I can try both locations and let you guys know which one's better. They'll probably both stay attached, but I thought it was worth it to try and see if one of them is better than the other. So I'll stick these front clips in and slide it into place. Get both these screws tightened down. And I'll make sure all four are tight, and then we'll hit the brakes and see what the lights look like. I guess I should look at the instructions and make sure I didn't miss anything. So step one is make sure that your harness plugs in the way it's supposed to. Make sure all the connections are tight. Make sure the rubber gasket on the connection is seated properly. We didn't have to do anything with the bulbs, and that's it. So we did it right. And that was easy enough. I'll get my tailgate back up and put this trim piece back on. I did a video where I replaced my tailgate handle, but this one's already gone bad. So I'll have to get a new one that is not made out of Chinesium. Pop this cover back in, and now we can test the lights out and see what they look like. All right, and those look pretty good. Everything works the way it's supposed to. Both sides light up. They look like you think an LED should. So I'm pretty happy with these. The fit on this side is a lot better, so I think it is just that the box is deformed on the other side. These fit in here really nicely. They've got the contour that matches the contour on my truck. The corners all fit really nice, and I like the color because it matches the color scheme on my truck. So overall, I'm really happy with these. The installation really couldn't be much easier. They truly are plug and play. They look good, especially with the gray on my truck, and I like these, so I will link them in the description. Thanks to Oksiwa for sending these to me. Overall, I'm really happy with the look of them. These are a great option for aftermarket LED lights for an OBS truck. They obviously don't look like the original, but if you're looking for a smoke gray lens, I really like this one. I like these, I'm happy with them. So other than everybody in my neighborhood deciding to mow their grass today, this project went really well. I like the look of these lights. I want to say thanks again to Oksiwa for sending these to me. And if you're looking for an LED aftermarket option for your OBS Chevy truck, I would recommend these from Oksiwa. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys in the next video.